You're listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 24th, 2026, and we are just a few hours away from the opening bell in New York. Overnight, Asian markets delivered a mixed performance, setting a tentative tone for the U.S. session. In South Korea, the Kospi surged 2.2 to 3.5%, reclaiming some ground after Tuesday's dramatic 10% plunge. However, tech-heavy markets remained under pressure. Japan's Nikkei closed lower, with Nikkei futures pointing down 0.8 to 1.1%. Meanwhile, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index closed flat to slightly higher, with its futures ticking up about 1%. This divergence suggests that while some regions are stabilizing, the global semiconductor drag is still lingering as we head toward the New York Open. Looking at U.S. futures, we are seeing signs of modest stabilization after yesterday's tech-led rout. S&P 500 futures are leading our pre-market indicators, trading essentially flat, up just 0.1% versus their prior close. Nasdaq 100 futures are showing a modest lift, up 0.41%, indicating some tentative bargain hunting in beaten-down tech names. Meanwhile, Dow futures are down 0.18%, giving back a fraction of yesterday's relative strength. The primary focus this morning is on the semiconductor sector, which suffered severe losses during yesterday's regular session. We are seeing a notable pre-market rebound. Micron Technology is rallying 3.71% to $1,090.78, trying to shake off yesterday's 13% drop. Similarly, the Round Hill Memory ETF is up 3.68%, and SanDisk has gained 3.03%. Among megacaps, Tesla and Nvidia are also seeing modest pre-market bids of less than 1%, following their sharp sell-offs on Tuesday. In other corporate news, FedEx shares tumbled 6% in after-hours trading to $298.20. Although the company beat fourth-quarter estimates, its full-year fiscal 2027 earnings guidance fell short of expectations. As we head into today's session, all eyes will be on the afternoon. Micron is scheduled to report its highly anticipated earnings after the closing bell. Given yesterday's sector-wide sell-off, this report is a critical test for artificial intelligence demand and valuation sustainability. We also have Paychex reporting earnings before the open. For now, buyers are showing caution, keeping the broader indexes in check as we wait to see if this morning's tech bounce can hold. That's your pre-market briefing from Seven Horns AI. Good luck out there today. Visit sevenhorns.ai for more.